In this lesson, we are going to learn about solving an equation. Let's start off by asking the question, what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that sets one expression equal to another. The expressions may contain constants, which are numerical values, terms that have variables, usually x, fractions, which can be constants or numerical coefficients of terms, grouping brackets, and operations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. All of the equations that you see to the right are linear equations. That's the focus of this lesson. Let's now see what solving an equation means, and then we'll try some examples. To solve an equation means to determine all possible values that the variable can assume which would make the statement an equality, in other words, a true statement. For a statement to be true, the left side of the equation should equal the right side of the equation when the variable has been replaced by the solution and all calculations are simplified. A linear equation is an equation which has only one solution for the unknown variable. The four examples to the right are all linear equations. The first one has a solution of x equals 5, the second one x equals 8, the third one x equals 25, and the fourth one x equals 10. Each solution is the only one that will work in its equation to make the left side equal the right side. So, for example, in the first equation, x plus 3 equals 8, if we substituted x with 5, the left side would work out to be 8, which would be the same as the right side. A nonlinear equation is an equation which can have more than one solution for the unknown variable. Here's an example of one. X squared equals 9. The solution could be 3 or negative 3, because if you substitute 3 into x, 3 squared becomes 9, so left side equals right side, and the same thing for negative 3. Negative 3 squared is also equal to 9. So this particular equation has two solutions. Solving an equation often requires working through a set of steps that involve arithmetic and algebraic skills. The result is an equation of the form x equals a value. This is the solution to the equation. Equations may have different degrees of complexity. Solving them may include any of the following skills: basic operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, using the distributive property, collecting terms, simplifying expressions, and balancing the equation. Carrying out the required skills correctly will lead to isolating the variable on one side of the equation and a single value on the other side. Another method for solving an equation is solving by estimation. Solving by estimation is a method that involves trial and error and not using algebraic steps. This is a useful method when the equation appears to be a simple one, because the estimated value that is made is often the correct one. Let's try an example. Example 1. Solve x plus 3 equals 8. First, select a value to represent x. Let's try 5. Substitute 5 for x. Simplify both sides to see if the left side equals the right side. And it does. 8 equals 8. That means the solution to the equation is 5. Solving this equation only took one estimate, but you may find that more complex equations take more estimates to solve. Let's try another one that's a bit more complex. Example 2. Solve 2x plus 1 equals 7. Let's try a value for x. X equals 1. Substituting 1 for x and carrying out the calculations, the left side results in 3 and is not equal to the right side, which is 7. Therefore, the left side is not equal to the right side, and this is not the solution. Let's try x equals 2. After doing the calculations, you can see that left side equals 5, right side equals 7. They're not equal to each other. This is not the solution either. Let's try again. X equals 3. Aha, this time the left side does turn out to be 7, just like the right side. So the left side equals right side, therefore x equals 3 satisfies the equation and is the solution. Let's try an example now that involves a little bit of dividing in the solution. Example 3. Solve x plus 2, all divided by 3, equals x minus 2. This equation certainly looks more complex than the previous ones. Let's try some values for x. X equals 0. This doesn't seem to work because after simplifying both sides of the equation, you can see that 2/3 is not equal to -2, so left side is not equal to right side. This is not the solution to the equation. Let's try x equals 1. After substituting and simplifying, we arrive at 1 is not equal to -1. Both sides are not equal. This is not the solution. Let's try x equals 2. Substitute into the equation. Left side is not equal to right side because 4/3 is not equal to 0. On to the next estimate, x equals 3. Doesn't look like it works. 5/3 is not equal to 1, so left side is not equal to right side. This is not the solution. Let's try again. X equals 4. 4 plus 2 over 3 equals 4, take away 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Hey, 2 equals 2. Left side equals right side, finally. Therefore, x equals 4 is the solution to the equation. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try the practice problems for this lesson.